Yo, okay, I think the audio works. Oh, wait, one thing. And it is public, I hope. Let's see. Yeah, I'm public. Good, good, good. Then, back to here. Back we are. Back to being confused. Looking at C++ code. What did I call it? This thing, yeah. Gonna continue here. And probably reduce a bit more. Like so. Alright. I should probably do a thing myself. Right, I've got stuck on the build. That was the issue. It was so weird because it looks fine, but then it doesn't work fine. Okay, let's see if I can get Harold in here. I don't know why I set it there. Wait, let me see. Oh wow, wait, you actually joined. Damn. I was like So I have problems with I need to get CGLTF in. And then I'm getting these I guess these are, I don't know, cache check failed. I don't know, what do they refer to when you get them? Because I removed the cache, but it still wasn't oh, I cannot stream, bruh. There. For whopping 60 FPS.
Code.
Yeah.
Yes.
Or do you want to see the code? That's the code.
Is it a single header library or?
Yeah.
Does it not have like a define something like CDLTF?
It does have,
you know?
it does have this. I wonder, how do I even add that?
Yeah, just on the GLTF thingy. Yeah, how do you do single? Yeah.
Well, I guess this is, no, that's not it. Because this is what we used to do in the other ones. Is we had this, right? But that's inside of the CPP or C. But this one is just purely a header file. There's like nothing else but just a header. So
Yeah, but go back to CGLTF, the module. CGLTF.
Oh, oops. Isn't that it?
No.
Oh.
That's it. Okay. Yeah, no, that's it. You like it's lagging. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
After create module, do cgltf.add c macro.
I don't think there is anything macro now. There is no such. Oh wait, my LSP is probably, or is it broken? Let me just try quickly to reload LSP. No, I don't get anything. It's a strange. Right. Can I just? Why is my LSP not working? What the fuck?
Not gonna lie, I would just do it the way that you, like the other single header libraries that you looked at, you know.
Okay, now my LSP is working. There. See macros? But
Add c macro.
add C macro. Ugh. Why do you do that? Add C macro. Okay, there. And then name and value.
Yeah, the name is the like implementation thing.
So the define actually. Ah, and then you just put it to the just true or one, or what do you write here? Because it was taking in a string.
It's a string. You just pass in a string and then one in the string.
And now it's expecting after state, but I have a semicolon. Yeah, now I'm back at this thing. It's so weird. In build.
Yeah, remove the dot create module.
What? Why do we do it for the other thing then?
Because it's different.
How is it different? It's still. Oh wait, it didn't.
Well, you do it in a completely different way there.
Okay, and no field macro. Wait, so what do I do here then? Do I just remove this?
Yeah, maybe add back. No, add back the create module. Just run it and we can see what error is.
Expected
With the add
build.
c macro and the create module.
But then we have the problem when I put the create module, it won't. It does that. Check cache check failed.
Okay, you see how you do it with the Vulkan headers at the top there?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just do it like that.
But that's add. Okay. Okay. Wait, but no, but no, wait, what? That's so confusing because the thing is literally this, but okay. So root source file equal add write files dot add. And then it's like,
That's the name of the file there.
so the cgltf.h, and then is this the define thingy that comes in there? But how? Just define.
Do do exactly what the Vulkan header thingy does.
Oh wait, that's how is that?
That's not what it does.
Oh wait, so it's literally just how?
It's a multi-line string.
So it does. It just has it like that. Okay, I see. And then that's so okay. That's a bit cursed, but okay. And then not do that.
And then also before the now you also got to add the include after the define here. It's a multi-line string, you know.
Add include, and then this one is just CGLTF dependency and then path and then
It's not. Yeah, also move up the const CGLTF underscore dep to the top, basically.
oh, I have
Where
all
all the other things are.
what? But I got all the dependencies like this on the other things like there.
Nope.
Yeah, look,
Oh.
GLTF dependency.
No, you don't.
Tiny object, Vulkan memory allocator.
Look up.
There's only the only thing that is not there is this thing. What?
Doesn't mean that it's because you do something like, you know, in one way doesn't mean it's good. But like, you can do whatever you want, but just be consistent with it. That's all I'm asking. Just be consistent.
Alright.
You haven't added the include for it.
I did that.
The like file that you're... No, you're not. No. You see the CGT, like the string here, you have it include path. That's not... You know how what an include path is?
But it is literally in the root. It's like right there.
Yeah, but you're not... Yeah, but you're not including it. Like, you're just adding in the include path.
So where do I tell
Like,
it?
it's a path to a directory. You don't... Like, in the... After the define, like, CGLTF implementation thingy, you do the include. Kinda like STB here.
Why don't I do it for the Vulkan headers then?
You do.
Do I? Where?
Yeah, you do. Where at the top? Vulkan headers. Not a dep. Do you see?
Vulkan headers. No, I don't do
Yeah, here.
anything. But that's down here.
Okay. No. Go back to where it's defined. Where you make the constant for it.
Okay.
Yeah, read this. Read it all.
But I do literally the same thing over here. But with the CGLTF, they're literally the same. Besides this part.
No, because you're not doing include, you're doing define. You also gotta do the include. You can't just define.
Wait, I need to. Oh my god, do I need to do that as well? Then both of them? Okay. Why did you do that now? I don't understand my multi-curse. It's so fucking fucked. Alright. Translation failure. Include nested too deeply.
Yeah, okay, so here we go, because well, it's because single header libraries often use funky macros, and SIG does not like funky macros. Yeah, look down to like STB, because STB is also a single header thing, but that works though.
Let's see, STB. Where's the...
Yeah, no, it's like that one works though, but yeah.
They don't have a STB dependency.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, no, but that's fine.
Oh wait, they do, but it's like
okay.
It's like different.
Inline.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if I change it, just
but doesn't really.
What is the C.H?
It's just a name. It doesn't actually exist. But like, don't look at SB, okay? What we're gonna do is the CGLTF. You're gonna actually remove the define there. We can actually add like do it like we did it before. we can try that. Like the translate C here is like it's so shit, like design wise currently. So there's so many ways of doing the exact same thing, and you kind of just have to try them all and see what works.
Okay.
But you can do the other thing that you did before with the like, yeah, you know.
What? You said the thing I did before. That was literally the dependency thingy. This thing. Or?
No, yeah, exactly, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. And then I just put the header file here. C E L D F T F .h. Like so.
Yeah, and then also after the create module here, we can remove the include path thingy. And we're gonna do cldtf dot add c macro. Okay, hear me out.
Add
Yeah.
macro.
And then the cgltf implementation.
But isn't this what we just okay?
Yeah, but we're gonna do a thing different. And then have new line, and then you do cgltf dot add c source file.
Source file.
Yeah, and then you do dot curly braces. No, it's a structure.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, and then you do dot file.
Oh wait.
You don't wanna.
Dot file.
Yeah. And then, yeah, well, that's actually a lazy path, so you gotta do the dependency, you know? cgltf dep. Dot, and then it is path, and then you do it to the header.
So just ctltf.h.
Yeah. And then you do nothing else. Yeah. This is probably not gonna work because this is more for making like a library in a way.
Cache check failed.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna have to do some go to the last resort here. Put this entire like add translate C create module thingy. Just copy this, okay? Don't copy the const C. Just like copy this b dot add, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, whoops. This whole thing.
Yeah, copy that. And now we can make a new constant called const cgltf. We'll remove the one we have currently later.
Wait, const cgltf. Oh, like, wait, what? You mean another const cgltf?
Yeah, well, yeah. Equals b dot add library.
E dot add library.
Yeah, and then you do dot curly braces. And then you do dot root source file.
Root module exists.
Or root module, right. Yeah, root module. And then you just copy, paste here, paste. Yeah, and then remove the semicolon after create module there. And replace it to a comma, yeah. Yeah, exactly. And then you do a new line. Dot. Actually, before the root module, do dot name.
So, oops. Name.
Yeah. Equals cgltf.
Oh, is it a string or?
Yeah. All right. We can now remove this constant that's also called cgltf down there.
So the whole thing.
Yeah, but not the. Don't remove the add c macro or yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Whoa.
Yeah, we can remove that.
How do I?
Whoa. Bro does not know how to use this LSP.
No.
Now you do CLT dot root module dot add Cs or C macro and stuff. It's like add a root module after this here. Yeah,
Dot root.
root underscore module.
No field
Yeah.
name. Oh no, it was just lagging. Okay.
Hmm.
That's it.
Yeah.
Uh,
No,
step
let's see.
line 80.
Right. Yeah, the module there, do like cgltf dot root module.
Ah, okay, so it's this thing.
Yeah, just do a root module there.
Wait. Struggling, okay. Dot root. That's a comma.
No.
Oh,
It's a
that.
field of
Oops.
bro is getting tricked.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, and then we also got a do renderer dot link library. Yeah, somewhere here.
Well, I think. No, wait, that's the include paths. Yeah, okay. So just here.
Yeah.
Renderer dot link library.
Library. Yeah, and then you pass in cgltf.
Yeah. That's root module.
Nope.
No? Okay, wait, what? It hasn't saved. No? Okay, it's actually. No, okay. What is that? Build some 21 steps succeeded. And it doesn't say much. More reuse dependencies. Compile accept. That's not very.
Well, then I have no idea.
Cache check failed. Damn. I think one thing we can do is just.
Yeah, all I'm saying is don't use single other libraries in Sig, it's a mess.
I have one last resort, and you know what that is?
No, ChatGPT probably.
Claude.
Claude. What a surprise. If it figures it out, I want to see the solution.
Can you help compile my SIG project? I can't get cgltf compile with it, and then I will just provide the build son and then the build SIG, and now it tells me there's an update. Bruh. Yeah, now we should be back to this thing. Let's see what it does. Is failing on GLTFH. Let me check what the actual seek. So it's gonna look into the cache. Well, sure, go ahead and do that. It's not gonna help. It's probably gonna be like, oh, we just remove the cache and then we recompile it and it should work, right? No. Okay. Imagine if it does some change to the GLTF code. That would be crazy. Sig fetch. Uh-huh. It looks like the wrong hash. It might be that I just used the wrong hash.
Literally not. Like that hash is just, like all things that don't have a build.sig.zone has that hash.
Oh, the project we now built successfully. Let's change the hash.
Really?
Let's see. Nah, okay. Well, at least it got somewhere else.
Yeah, if it was gonna work, I would actually be surprised.
This is space time. This is not. So it actually compiles. Let's see. Yeah, okay, it works. That was it. It was the wrong hash.
Oh, bro.
Oh, we're live now. Okay.
Yeah, we're alive. We're alive. That's crazy that it was the wrong hash. Because, okay, wait, it should up. It still. Okay, wait, maybe I just need to save. Yeah, it's still the same code here. Just changed the hash here from being this to that. But it doesn't have a .son file, so I thought also like they would all be the same. I don't understand the hash.
Yeah, I thought so. The hash has, it's like to do with the commit, so it gets the correct version. Actually, no, the hash is actually, like the commit hash is inside of the name. Yeah, I don't even know what the hash is for either. It's for something. I don't understand it. I don't.
It's for something.
Right. I mean, good to know. Yeah, good to know.
That's so fun. We had literally the right thing in the build all along, or probably we could have done it 100 other different ways, but yeah, that's just hilarious. But why do I not need? I don't do the define. No, wait, do I do the define? No, I don't do the define anywhere.
No.
Or they.
So you're probably only getting like header things. You're probably not doing anything with the functions.
No, I'm not yet doing it.
Or well, but you can probably just add the define to it maybe, and then it will just work. I don't know.
Yeah, well, we'll get to it when we get to it. Now we'll continue on with the. Well, actually, we'll be getting to it right now. No, Harold, now you look away because this is a horrendous namespace. This is what I need to do. But
Intern!
No. We already did intern to fix the hash. Bro,
nice.
I'm like, the next video I was like, oh, it's so cool, and now I'm like, I have 3 sections where I'm like, oh god, no, I don't know what to do with them. They're so bad. They're horrendous. I'm like, oh no.
Intern.
I'm just gonna AI the shit out of that. I'm like, fuck
Intern,
it.
make my video better.
Make my video better. But for real, it's
Yeah.
like
Intern fix my
it's
life.
a good flow in the video. It's like, yeah, this makes sense, and then those 3 catastrophe. What the fuck? How do you pronounce that in English?
Wait.
Catastrophe. Yeah.
Yeah, catastrophe. Yeah.
Catastrophes happens, and I'm like, oh no, the whole video is ruined. Oh no, I need to fix those somehow, but I don't know how I'm supposed to fix. But I heard in this, and then I also need to get bro. The footage that I'm using is like 64 megabytes, one clip, but because I cannot import straight to Resolve, I convert it to the .mov file. But that file format is, well, in order to retain everything I need, it becomes 40 times larger, so like 60 megabytes become 1.7 or 2 gigabytes large.
You can.
And that's just for a minute of recording, so every minute is like 40 2 gigabytes. I'm like, fuck.
Yeah, bro has the RAM, but also have the disk space. That's
actually,
the
I have
question.
4 terabytes, so I'm fine, but.
Oh my god, bro. Bro, how much memory do you have? How did you even get 64 gigs of RAM into your PC? Like, how is that even allowed? How, bro?
I think it can. Well, a 64-bit system should. How many? Isn't it in petabytes? No, it's even more than that. You should be able to have RAM access. Or?
Yeah, for real. Yeah, bro's pointers are so massive. The other computers don't even know that those places exist.
What spaces? But I think, isn't it that 32-bit system, was it only for 8 gigabytes, or how high can you go on those 32 bits?
Isn't it just 4 gig?
Is it 4? Yeah, it has to be, because it's.
Yeah.
Wait.
It's 4.
Because it's
Is it?
yeah, because mega is million and giga is
Because I know
gabillion.
about games that are I know about like games that are 32-bit and like those are capped at 4 gigs of RAM, so they like run like shit.
Yeah. Well, I don't think you need 4 gigs of RAM to make a good game.
Nah,
More-
but like if a game like if you let's say you mod a game, you know, and shit.
No,
Then you're
okay,
cooked.
I mean, if you use something like a game engine or very high level, of course, but I think, like, if you think, like, Doom, how much megabytes do you need to run that thing? Like, I think we're talking mega.
Probably 10.
Yeah. So, I mean, like, you can make games with very restricted amount of memory. Anyways,
Tell it to an Unreal developer.
bro, I'm an Unreal developer.
Well, then Gordon Ramsay has something to say to you, I think.
No!
Yeah.
I'm gonna call it CGLTF at import. And then I can just say CGLTF. That.
All right.
Tell us, Damon, what's up?
Yeah,
What the fuck was that? Oh,
Alakaba!
Hey.
Alakaba!
hey. Hello, Noodle the Fur.
oh, I checked and apparently
Okay.
Doom needs 4 megabytes of RAM.
4 megabytes. Damn.
That's like wow, that's literally 1/10 of a like empty tab. Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive, but like also like kind of huge. Well, not really. For every 86, 4 megabytes is like not that much. You
Bro,
get a
you can
decent
almost
bit
store the
higher.
pointers in like U16s.
I don't want to lie to you, but I believe the OG Doom was 32-bit.
Nah, it was like 128-bit, trust me.
Well, actually no, it addresses over 640 kilobytes of RAM, so I'm pretty sure it is 32-bit. Also, holy shit, that's an AI generated image. Blah.
Huh.
Clever.
Yeah, it is 32-bit. It is a 32-bit DOS executable. Well,
Oh,
DOS
shit.
executable start at
Wow.
16-bit, but it does like jump to 32-bit mode.
CGLTF options.
Intern.
What are you on a...
Data! Write that sexy
Why
data!
that sexy data? I love that sexy data. Options. Options. What do I
Guys,
actually...
since I'm on GNOME, I mean Yak,
Yak?
like my Wayland thingy was kind of broken because they don't have they don't have any decorations like at all. So yeah, thank you GNOME. But I guess it made me like fix some errors. So that's crazy.
Oops.
Wow.
Mm,
Guys, am I
Is
GNOME or
this-
KDE?
JD.
I'm gonna have to say GNOME because I don't like my calculator being a dependency for my for everything. You know, I want to be able to remove the calculator.
Wait, do they actually have the calculator with a dependency? That's funky.
Like on KDE, like it's all either you have KDE and you have all of its bloat, or you have no KDE and you have nothing.
Incredible.
What is supposed to happen
Yeah.
in this place anyways? They have like a parser. And then they create these options. Don't really require blah 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 blah. And then GLTF buffer data, they have the data. And then they have load file. Data load file, okay. And then have some assets thing. Fuck. And then some file system file. What the fuck? Okay. I swear to God, is this some operator overloading? Probably, yeah. Oh god. Trying to read C++ code is amazing. Okay. Well, I will go with the options first. Let's just focus on those damn options. What are my options in options? there's like file, there's memory, there's type. I guess that's kind of what I want to go first. Where this seems to be options. Cumulative options don't require validation.
No.
No. Let's see. Type files. Or is it memory options? Don't require valid asset member.
Yo, Lucas. When is the C++ stream coming?
If I go to C++, it will probably be Unreal Engine.
Okay. Mm-hmm. You know, C++ is a garbage language.
Well, that's what I'm saying. If I become desperate enough, it will be in Unreal Engine.
So wait, what you're saying is that if you have to write a garbage C++, you may just suffer even more. So therefore, you should just choose Unreal to suffer even more.
Well, have you seen Unreal Engine C++? It's not even C++. It's even more mutated than the original C++.
Oh, crazy.
Am I tripping? Am I not? Is this not what I want to do? I think this is what.
Null? That's crazy.
Crazy.
Crazy?
Yes.
I'm crazy once.
You're crazy.
You are crazy once?
Yeah.
So are you still crazy or are you not?
I am the sound of music.
He's the craziest.
What is like
Bro, you're the
C?
sound of silence.
I'm the sound of crazy. Anyways, types. Can I? Okay, here. Let's see. What do we have? Well, that's just okay. So it's the file type. These things, but I'm trying to find whatever these things are. These options, and how do I create them? What the fuck? So that's the file type, token count, memory options. Maybe it could be memory options. But that's literally just an empty and then the file. Maybe I don't even have the right thing. This seems to be something more. Oh wait. Yeah. Don't require valid asset member, but I can't really find asset there's no such thing. No member. Double sided. Allow.
Double on
Oh.
F64?
What?
Exactly, Damon.
I think Damon might have died. Okay, I'm actually
Anyways,
just...
Lucas.
Hmm?
Lucas, do you usually use like F64 or F32?
F32?
Oh, that's rookie. You gotta be using the F80.
Why? What are you getting these things from? Where are you getting?
No. Why would you use the 80-bit? Well, that's like
No,
that's
bro.
like old. That's not even. That's like pre-SSC. That's like MMX fucking floating point. Why would you do that? That's
Because
cursed.
bro, Sig has F80.
It does have F80, but that does not mean it's better.
No,
Trust
it
me.
means that we should always use it and nothing else.
I always use
Unless you
F-
really need that extra. How much is it? That extra 16 bits of precision. It's really not. It's,
I
And
always
it
all the
gives you like it makes
Guys,
you move around stuff
guys,
around registers way
guys.
way more.
Guys, I always use F67.
I think Gordon Ramsay has something to say to you, Lucas.
No.
I think Dennis K. Ritchie has something to say to you.
I think I have something to say to you.
I think I am crazy.
Okay.
We know that.
Yeah, that checks out.
That makes sense. Can't argue with that.
That checks out. Can you do D-strip? No, not full
Guys,
strip.
Bruh.
Shrek or no Shrek?
Shrek.
I
That's
would
obvious.
I would smash.
True. I think Gordon Ramsay has something to say to you, Lucas.
Write all that data! Write that sexy data!
I'm not having sex with you right now, Walter.
Hey, yo.
Turn.
This is a family-friendly YouTube stream right now. We cannot use those kind of words.
Camping the.
Maybe I should play the AI from Damon there. Yeah, I think that one will be perfect. My gun goes pew pew pew.
I like how I'm putting the C++ code into ChatGPT and telling it to make it to C so I can understand what the fuck this code does.
Yeah, for real. No, but that's good. That's good.
No, I'm fine.
I didn't ask.
Allocator.
Bombardiro
Oh
crocodilo.
no.
Un fottuto alligatore volante che vola e bombarda.
Nut nut.
He says,
It's a
Maybe I should play what? Maybe I should play Lucas's car.
What is my car? Oh my god, bro. There is actually a funny picture of me with a toy car. Wait, let me see if I can find it. This is lore, okay?
there.
All right, Lucas lore dropping right now.
Mhm.
Uh,
I'm gonna see. Where is it sent? It's
I
sent.
totally agree, Damon.
No! Is it gone? Wait, no! No!
I bet this is what Lucas's mom sent him like yesterday or something.
No. It's message could not be loaded. Maybe it's this one. Well, it's right when I came out of the army because it was like Easter, I think. I don't remember. And do you know
Eastern Europe?
Do you know
Okay.
Kinder eggs, the chocolate that contains toys
Yes.
inside of it? Yeah, I got a toy car,
Yeah.
and it's a funny picture of me holding it up and being like car, and it's just funny.
Can't imagine this dude in the army.
Bro, you don't wanna. I was actually pretty good at negotiating.
No, at obeying orders, weren't you?
I was good at dodging orders. Like yeah.
Alright. You couldn't negotiating, what's that supposed to mean? You were like, okay, so you do not do it in the shower when I get the soap, and then in return I give you my knife or something. Is that your negotiation?
No. It's that's just I became good at getting other people to do the shit I was supposed to do.
AKA slavery. Guys, here we have it. Lucas is a supporter of slavery. Yeah, caught in 4K, bro. Exposed.
But can I just find the damn car? I want the
Yeah.
car! Because it was so funny, because it's literally just me going, car! Oh my god, car! I got the car!
Can we ban this guy?
I want to find my car, but I think it might not be here.
I think Lucas, I think Gordon Ramsay has something to say
No,
about your car.
no, the car is fucking amazing, alright?
Kill yourself!
Hey! Do not bring this kind of...
I said, chill yourself, I said.
Yeah, chill yourself. Chill down. Yeah, exactly.
Chill yourself.
Are you ready to raid,
Yeah.
Harold?
Ready to raid. I got a code right now. I'm behind on my daily quota.
I think I'm gonna... Wait, how did one do... Can I... Yeah, I can do this if res... I don't have to do it like that. If res is... What is it? If it's not equal to... Yeah. cgltf dot Success. Okay, what the fuck? Result success. That's what I want. I think I will actually just error dots, and then I can just say, what did I say? What are we working on here? We're working on the parse, GLF parse. GLDF. What is that lag, bro? And then we take the next thing, which is cgltf.cgltf. F dot. No, what? What am I doing? Help. Help! I'm crazy.
I love search engines.
Oh,
Search engines, more like search Bing? Bing AI?
But
Yeah.
genuinely, look at general.
oh no, I'm too afraid to look in general now.
Okay, I can look in general and I can read it out. Let's see here. So Null has googled Mason. Okay, Mason strip fight. Okay, hackers and okay, all right. That's very nice of you, Null. And all I'm saying is, those were not hackers who unredacted those files. Literally anyone.
I know. It's just the fucking search engine. It's not search engineering. Like
No,
I'm
it's
just trying
totally-
to strip the debug info, and I have to. Why?
When bro, I think Jeffrey was involved in lots of Mason builds, wasn't he?
Harold, I'm taking your job.
My Yao. That's
Yeah.
great. That's
Peter
great.
said I'm taking.
Weren't you a milk churner, Harold?
Ah? How did you know?
Yeah, that was your job, churning milk.
Well, I wouldn't call it milk really, but all right.
Get fired. How are we supposed to
Yep.
provide for your family now? Hmm?
No, I actually don't have one.
Ah, well, that makes sense. How are we supposed to make a family now?
By looking in general chat, Lucas. Look in general.
Oh no, now it's gonna be something very bad there. There. That's such motivational words. Such. I feel like this one was done wrong. Wait, let me see. Ah, yeah. It's not that. What did I type in here? QTF load buffer base 64. Oh, crazy. Anyways, okay, so there should be options, data, and file path. That's so weird. So you parse the file, then you load the buffer. All right.
Then you free the entire program and you return 0. Yep.
Yep. No, you don't free anything. The OS will take care of the memory.
Oh,
Mm.
right. Even deep memory. That's crazy.
Yes. QLTF.
Lucas, do you know how you can ruin an entire application with just one line of code?
Tell me.
You just return immediately. Also, what are those error names, bro?
What are they supposed to
No
be?
underscores.
Just
No underscores.
this?
Camel case.
Ah,
Yeah.
that's kind of cursed, not gonna lie.
Too bad. No
Siggy,
underscores in the errors that I won't allow.
Siggy is sometimes, most of the time I like Sigs, but the things I don't like, I generally dislike it.
Yeah, well, if you dislike it, just go back to C.
Okay, I don't
You can see how bad it is.
Okay, I don't dislike C either. Sometimes I dislike C.
You do.
No, I mean look at this. This is
Often.
This is pretty nice, but I think one could argue that this is still.
Is that nice having 10 print statements? Yeah, how nice.
Well, I mean, what 10? Can you count?
Yeah, there's okay. Hear me out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Where
9, 10.
wait, where is it more than?
You can easily read this. You can easily read this. It's very easy to read.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Where are the other ones?
Yeah, the other ones are there. There, you know.
Oh, yeah, I see now. Imaginary.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is this? Validation. Alright. Like Gordon Ramsay finding me. What? The best hospital in Finland, 100% success rate in everything. So that's where most of them go. Oh no, the GIF is not even playing, but I know what that GIF will say.
The hospital is named KYS.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's.
Perfect.
I think you got it wrong.
That's your hospital, ain't it?
I don't have problems with this, but what I have problems with is that it didn't. Maybe it's alright, but I'm still unsure about these options. That why don't I provide. Are you sure about the options? And then we'll just take this and then just. I'm not gonna provide it in the C code, I'm just gonna provide it C and C++. Yes, this is correct, but only because you worked differently than the long answer below, because this one those looks wrong, but it's right. It's correct. You enable and disable behavior with flags is behavior driven. Most of what you enable is fast. Okay. Well. Okay. Okay. We'll just make the assumption that that is fine, so it's stored in the data, I assume. What is this GLTF asset then? Move get. But don't it is it not being stored anywhere? It just loads the thing? Parser load. Yeah, it just loads. And then it moves it if load. Then it's equal moves it from there to this. But and then it's what? Nothing happens with it. Okay, we'll crash later on, and we'll probably have some memory leaks, but that's okay. So, yeah. Let's see. I want to go 21 lines about there. Yes.
I'm just done.
And then we'll just return. I will just, at the moment, I don't know, because it's so weird. We have all of that. And they also say here that they will return this and then. Oh, okay, it's not the whole thing yet. That's why. Okay. Oh, wait, they do have failed. Okay, so we'll continue down below. We'll begin by loading the file as this more generic than the one that loaded only meshes. We are adding checking to change between GLTF file and GLB file. Other than that, it's mostly the same as simulate the description will. Yes, okay, so now the thing actually happens. Okay, so this was just for loading the thing. Okay, crazy. Can I'm just gonna do this and then this. I think they are mem 0 by default. Yes, they are. Don't have to worry about anything over there. And then this thing, the growable sizes, and then it's descriptor set engine. Oh, so you provide the device. That's why you need the engine. But I think I would rather just stick in the device than the whole engine. Like, what the fuck? Anyways, we'll take this code and put it there. Bam! Crazy. Anyways. Growable is a structure. Yeah, which just contains all of this. But I don't think I want to call... Do I want to call it like that? I don't think I want to do that. Okay. Because... Don't I do it also in here? But I wonder, is that actually... That's a bit... I do call init on it in here, which is kind of strange, because I'm like... Is that memory actually guaranteed to be... the same? I'm wondering now. Is it? If I go in here and check, let's see. But I do pass the allocator, so I mean it should be. And the structure contains anyways, yeah, an array list. But then again, they are just, yeah, copied over. So yeah, it also should be valid memory that is being passed around. Okay. And it's okay. Yeah, we can do that. Okay. We'll just have to rewrite a few things. We can actually take inspiration from here, because it will basically the same size, same stuff. So we can just reuse it for it over here. I think it's smarter actually the other way around. Paste it in there. So sizes, and then I will just take the same as we do there. We want buffer, uniform, and storage. Doesn't really matter, but I like it like that. Oh shit, what the fuck happened there? Ah, okay, that's what's happened. Okay, don't need that. And then 3 of uniform. Why? I'm probably not gonna call it global. I'm gonna just call it, what do they call it in here? Do they have a name for it? Descriptor pool. Yeah, wait, do they have a different kind of setup for the whole thing? But I'm just gonna call it descriptor allocator. And this time I actually write a good name like that. Sizes, and then 10 I pass in. I think they don't have that. They just GLTF material size. Ah, okay. Okay. Can I access the... Let's see, what is the equivalent for this in C? And then it continues. What's the C equivalent for that? Do I have it in data? What does this structure have? Oh, it has a lot of stuff actually. Maybe it is in here then. Okay, damn. Let's see. Ah, I don't need you to do this. Oh yeah, look at that. Wait, but where did this scene come from? Ah. Oh, it already allocated and returned the thing. Okay, that's why. I don't care. I don't care yet. I'm just gonna go data material counts. Okay, so it is inside of that thing. I was like, is there? Could it be? Okay. Yeah. Data, that material count. And now we actually need to take in we need to take in the device and an allocator. Allocator, std allocate, mem allocator, and then we also need to take in the device, and then it's gonna be a vk.device like so. And I think I still just take in my device, not the actual Vulkan device yet. Yes. So that's fine. Let's see what's the next step. So now we should have that. I'm still unsure why 3 and 1. More generic than 1 loaded, blah blah blah. Next we'll initialize the descriptor pool with an estimate, I think, I don't know, of the amount of descriptors we need. In the case we overflow the pool, it's using the growable pool, so it will just add more VK descriptor pool as needed. Let's load the sampler. GLTF sampler are using the numbers and properties from OpenGL which do not match Vulkan ones. So we are going to... I don't know if this is the case for the CGLTF, so we're gonna ask it. Is this true? Oh my god. True for CGLTF as well? Oh my god, 2 question marks, it's okay. Yes, underlying issue is true for store sampler parameters using open. Okay, so we also have to do the same. Oh my god! So they actually create like extract filters and then extract mipmat modes. Okay, but that's nothing too crazy actually. I just wanted to see if that was still true. And then it just goes through them. Okay, nah, we can just take that and. Probably AI could also just do this, but I don't know. Whoa, look at that. We can just do that, and we can do this, and then we can first of all take that over there, and then we can pub function, and we can take this one away from please.
Yeah, I'm yelling at.
What?
Oh, my bad. I forgot to press the button. I forgot to press the button.
You're pressing buttons?
No, I'm chatting in the game, but I didn't because I chatted to you.
Oh.
I made a.
I'm special. I feel special now. CGLTF. Filter. CG filter type, I would assume. Let's see what they say. So let's just int. Could it actually be CGLTF int? I think it's filter type still. We can quickly check here. Well, let's just CU int anyways. Probably it's the same thing. If it's not, it will complain. I'm not gonna trust my intuition on this one. Maybe it's a bad idea, but extract filter. Why did I make it public? Nothing else really need access to this over here. And then we can just, that's actually gonna be a vk.c. And switch, and we're gonna switch on filter. Let's see if I remember this. Nearest. I don't. Something is wrong, anyways. Let's see. I will take it up to the top so I get the LSB. Okay. Expect a function for variable. Kind of stupid. Lol. Okay, yeah, no. Why? I feel like this is how I should be doing it, but it doesn't look like that's how I should be doing it. Nearest. Okay. Sig switch. Obviously, I don't know what I'm doing. Which one is faster? Ooh, this one.
All right, there's PVE on the other side of this door here.
That seems to be it.
I don't know.
Exactly
Idea.
them. Exactly them.
My
There's
bad.
PvE.
What the fuck?
Bruh,
Bah.
bruh. I'm going up a channel.
All right. CCLTF dot GL nearest. Fuck, filter type nearest. Okay, there it is. Yeah, I want all of these. MIP map. Yeah, all right. Type. Okay, now this is. So is it not like that? Wait, I rolled. You watching?
Yes.
So I need to do a switch based on this, which is just a well, it's just scenes.
Okay.
And I need these 3 types to be all to return this.
Mhm.
Normally you would just do the dot, but I think that's how if you have enum type, was it that it worked or how was it?
Yeah, just do comma. Like the integers, you can just copy those integers.
Oh, well,
Or something.
yeah.
I don't know, like take the integers you want there.
Yeah, it's
And then you
nearest
can just do like,
these basically are the ones I want to work with.
yeah, but to do fall through, you just do like the enum, comma, and then the other enum, comma, and then the other enums, and then all those enums lead, integers,
Okay.
leading to the same thing.
I don't need to put a dot there, I can just keep it like this. Or?
No dots.
And
No dots.
no
Yeah.
dots, okay.
No dots.
Wait, how was it? Ah, not like that. Like so. Easy. 4. Okay, I was hoping... Okay, I will do this. Bam. Now I can read it. C, GLTF, and then it's... I want the... C, GLTF... Nipnap, yes. And the CGLTF, CGLTF. Which one was the second one? It was linearal, that one. And was it? Then it was just this, was it? Like that? Return MVK.
Yeah.
CVK filter nearest. That's funny. Well, why would you do the others check? That's kind of funny. I think I will just completely ditch the other thing and then just do... Is it... How is for default? Is it... I don't remember. Do they have default? Ah, just an else. Ah,
Else.
obviously. Else. Now we'll just do return vk.c.vk filter, and then they wanted linear. Ah, so, and then I'm just gonna say, I'm just gonna add a note, and then because I'm a bit lazy, I'm just gonna do that. Ah, come on. Why can it just not behave normally? Like so. Ah, almost good. And then we'll just go V, this, like so. Oh my god. Why does it do this? Note that And then we can remove all of these. And then we can go here, we can do that. That. And this thing should be like that. Same for this. Now we got that thing. Good. This is if I only ever get back to this thing, we'll know what to look at. But note. And then it's this one, and this one probably has just the same idea. That not public, extract bitmap, and we can just do pk.c dot this, and I know it has that, but I'm gonna still do this and that, and then let's see, it's switched based on filter. The filter is already fucked. What kind of filter is that? It's also just a filter type. Were both of them just filters? Filter and filter, okay. Well, that's gonna be funny. CGLTF, filter. I cannot really say anything more than filter type. We'll go with filter type, it's okay. And then case, I think AI provided this is what I want. If I meet the default linear bitmap, okay, I guess that's a good check. I need to sneeze, but I can't sneeze, what the fuck? Okay, but it's called bitmap mode, VK. Ah, I am stupid. Alright, that's fine. No, wait. What? Am I jumping? No, there's extract and then... I don't know... Is there supposed to be? Wait, what? They have bitmap mode from GLTF min. GLTF from... Filter from GLTF min. Why would there be two separate ones? And repeat. Okay. I guess I can just get back to this if I ever need to. I will. Okay, I should probably look at this one. Actually, this one is more accurate. Yep. Okay. And then I will not consider that other thing that AI said it might be correct, but for now, this is what we need. We don't need that. So, nearest and this is nearest and linear bitmap nearest. Nearest bitmap nearest linear bitmap. And of course I've done them the wrong way in the top. Great. It's good. So we have nearest and bitmap. Nearest bitmap. Yeah, I have them the wrong way. The linear should be nearest. It's okay. So, and then the rest is linear. Alright, then here, this thing. I guess I can remove, we don't need the dot there anymore. Wow, that's crazy, something else went crazy now. So, And then there's just nearest mid. Okay, I think I can just go here, yank this, paste that in there. So then we have nearest, and then the linear mid map. Well, then we'll just paste this there as well. Whoa, why did you go? Ah, right, that's why you went like that. And then linear, and then we can say then you return, and you will return a vk.c vk sampler mipmap mode nearest. So else return vk c vk, and that is linear, I think. Yeah. So, and then we can add the note again. Exist more, if I ever want to do more. Alright. Those two functions are global functions on VK loader CPP. Okay, so these are in the wrong spot then. Should I make them global? I think I will leave them there for now. We won't be needing them outside in the Vulkan sample filter. Mipmap mode, so we begin by extracting filter from GLTF file options. Extract files, only look at the filtering, so it returns either VK filter nearest or VK filter linear. When I extract mipmap mode, we'll look at mipmap part, which we return a. Wait, I'm curious. Why are you trying to do something on Vulkan? Oxyhan asking kick. That's a good question. I just like Vulkan, to be honest. It's a bit painful, but like it's just nice trying to create and load things and trying to figure out how things connect inside everything. Basically, how for a challenge, I don't know. I would like to create my own 3D game. That's kind of the point. But using Sig and making kind of my own style of an engine at the same time. That's literally it, I think. There isn't really any other other thing really. Thanks for asking. I hope the answer is okay. But yeah, that's literally it. I was thinking about using Unreal, but it's just the language. And then also I'm not really a fan of object-oriented programming, so I was like, you know what? I could have gone to Rust and used Bevy also. But
Tantan mention?
what? Tantan? Yeah. And then I'm also like, it's kind of cool. Like, you don't really need to be like making everything perfect or optimized really nowadays. Like, computers are fucking crazy. Of course it's good, but just to even like make a 3D game, like you can pretty much just get away with the like even the outdated Vulkan tutorial, you can get away with just making something simple. Like I even a playable game if you want to. I think it's very easy to get caught up in all of this trying to make everything perfect, which is a good thing to do still, but you don't need to. Yeah. It's just exploration at the same time right now for me. But yeah, let's see where it goes, you know. I should probably spend more hours programming this, but I'm working on the next video and I'm kind of pissed because it sounded so good. And now now 3 places in the next video. I'm like, oh god, this success, and I don't wanna. But I'm gonna get it up. I'm gonna get it up. I have to get it up. It's gonna get up. I just need to get up. It's going to get out, and then I need to figure out how to do more videos. I need to really think this through and how I'm gonna be able to produce more code. I know there's a strategy for doing all of this more efficiently. I don't just know what that is yet, but I'm gonna figure it out. That's gonna happen for sure. Or I will die trying. Now we can load the samplers from the GLTF file. Alright, so they're gonna go through each of these. And that means we're also going to do that. Now, I don't know how we're gonna do it. Nah. I was thinking, would it have been easier to have done actually like trying to bind the C++ library instead of the C library?
Probably not.
Yeah, probably not. I was hoping you would say that. Wait, what are they doing? They're taking... Okay, they're taking from the data. So the data... Or my data. Because they have moved, they used an std move, then moved the data into the GLTF, but I still have it in the raw data. Which... And it's a C pointer. Can I... See, but I can do the count. I cannot go through a C pointer array for loop it. I have to use the count, right?
Yeah. But you just slice it.
Oh, I could do that too.
Slicing.
True.
Yes. We love slicing.
Wait, it's like this. You tell me if I do wrong now. Because I'm still a bit like that. Now I get the sampler. You see that?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Do you have to...
What is the type of sampler count? Is that like an unsigned integer?
Oh,
Or...
right. It's a
Is
U
it...
size. It's a U size.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, actually, I have actually been wrong about this. Apparently, it doesn't need to be a U size. I think it had to be a U size before, but they changed it, so now it's literally just any unsigned integer that can be used there.
Yeah. It's kind of, I think also like working on the development branch or like the... Is it called just development branch or what is it called?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The master.
The master branch.
Or nightly.
Yeah, it's also a little bit sketchy for the sense that it has a little bit of both. Like it has a bit of the old version, a bit of the new version. And now when I went back to trying to compile a project where we were using SIG 0.15.2 dev or something, it had a little bit of the 0.14 in it, but I couldn't use 0.14 because then I couldn't use the 0.15 features. And I tried to use the 0.15.2 feature, but I couldn't use it because they had a bit of 0.14 for features. Like, fuck!
Yep. Welcome to SIG.
Yeah. But also you kind of want to be on the master branch because there's cool new features that gets introduced and then you just want to use them.
Yes. Yeah, guys, I have to say this. Soon IO Uring is gonna be an async thing in the IO. You know? Do you know what IO Uring is?
Urine? No. Urine? You mean urine?
Okay. Yes. No,
Yes.
it's like async on Linux, and it's like super good. Yeah, I don't know. The Linux gods were cooking while making it, and soon that can be used as like an IO thing in SIG. You know.
With like
So,
async
yeah.
in a sense that it's like a how does because so it's a single thread that it just keeps track of different like applications having like
Yeah.
or
Async really just means like dispatching things on other places so you can continue on the current like so you don't have to wait up.
Yeah, so
basically.
when you
that's
make
all it
an
is, like, you don't have to
when you
wait.
make a HTTP GET request, for example, you can process other
Yeah.
data while you're waiting for the
Continuous.
response.
Yeah.
And then once the
Exactly. And currently there's
okay.
Yeah, and currently there's only the threaded IO, you know, that is
Wait,
sends it either to another thread.
I
is-
think I've probably seen this, but how does it work? Because when you use the when you do it uses sockets, right? If you do an HTTP request, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how does it know
Almost
that
six, yeah.
when you start sending data, when you receive data, is the OS, the kernel, already reading it and storing it automatically, and then you read it, or like, because you have to receive it somehow, and
Yeah,
you
it
have
stores it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. It stores it. Yeah,
Because,
in like a buffer it has.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then it locks the thread
but
and
sockets
basically
are
like,
file-
yo, you have a bunch of unread shit.
Everything is files basically, or file descriptors anyway. So yeah, it has a place to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see, this is why Unix is so smart.
Unix is fucking awesome.
And why I know, unlike Windows, which just like, oh, you don't have any more RAM? We'll just store it on the disk. Yeah, that's smart.
But
It'll
Linux
take
uses swap
forever to load it.
files.
It doesn't have, well, it depends, only for like some stuff.
Yeah, okay, yeah, fair. Isn't it also like swap files?
Yeah, like-
was it Nullifer that said that you also, it's only like, if you use, was it Kubernetes? What was it? I don't remember. I forgot.
Kudos?
Kudos. If you, they are only used like if you want to store. What were the purpose of swap files on Linux?
Swap files. Well, a swap file is like temporary. Well, not temporary. It's like it's both a place where you can put stuff if it doesn't fit in RAM.
Mm-hmm.
So like if you run out of RAM, you will start swapping, and you can swap to a file or you can swap to a swap partition, because Linux supports both of those. Which basically just takes memory pages out of memory and puts it into like files on your drive. And it is also useful when you hibernate, because whenever you hibernate, you have to like you shut down your computer basically, not entirely, but like you shut down most of your computer, including your RAM. You don't power it anymore, and so because you don't want to lose all the like stuff that you have in memory, you have to put it somewhere. So you put it inside of the swap file or a swap partition. Again, like both of those are equivalent on Linux, or they have equivalent function rather.
Yeah,
Something like that.
I wonder, is
Unless
that?
you meant something else than a swap file.
No. Yeah, I meant like my own implemented swap file for my own game engine.
Then maybe it's something else
Swap
you meant.
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh,
I'm joking. Yeah. Yeah, that's crazy. What am I trying to do? S type, structure type, VK, let's see, VK, structure, type, blur, create info. Alright. Is there anything else that they pnex null, but that should be about automatic, I shouldn't have to do that, and then they still do that, so yeah, no, we're not done. What? Oh, this is stupid, that shouldn't be... I should be able to just do that. I think my LSP is fucked. It's definitely fucked. Ah, god, it's fucked. No! Okay, I will just do based on feel now. You know, I'm gonna. This is the true vibe coding. I'm just gonna feel how it's supposed to be. It's gonna.
Yes. By the way, Lucas, you wanna learn something beautiful?
Yeah, I like to learn something beautiful.
Alright. So whenever you're ready, you can do STD and then some stuff.
STD. That's some stuff.
Yeah, STD. No.
Okay.
STD.log.
Log.
Yeah, and then you do .scope.
I'm scared now. This is some comp
Yeah.
time shit.
And then and that, now you just do like dot, and then just it's like an enum kind of. Yeah, you can just pass in anything though, whatever you want, anything. You can like Lucas or something. Yeah, right. And then snake case, not camel case. It's an enum literal. Yeah. Okay. Now and then you can do after the scope thing, you can do dot on the parenthesis there. Yeah, dot. Dot, and then you can do like error or like error, or you know, whatever. Err. Yes. It's not a type, it's a function. Yeah. Anyways, what it is basically just like setting the scope of like errors and. Okay, well that's actually a really bad representation of what it does. Basically, it generates a type that has like a function called info, warn, and error. Kind of like the std log, you know, right?
Okay.
The namespace. Yeah, but it also like has a like the Lucas thing in the print, so it's like, oh yeah, this is from Lucas, and you could have like another scope for like renderer, and then you could like print out like, oh, this is from the renderer.
I don't
you know?
use log like at all. I have never used it, I think, or except once when you told me to write log.
Damn, bro.
I use always std debug log. I never used the
Bro, log is so awesome.
print.
Log is crazy. Like debug is only for debugging, you know. You should
Yeah.
really be using log for like error messages or stuff like that.
Yeah, I even use debug as logging. Yeah, maybe like look here for example, I do it. Well, I guess this should probably be a log, right?
Yeah, I guess but I guess it's temporary. I mean, or otherwise you should do a std log
I think
info.
this.
Also keep in mind. Yeah.
I think this is maybe.
Also keep in mind that log adds a new line. Log adds a new line. Keep that in mind. All right, so you don't have the new line.
But this one also prints out in the terminal like normally, as it was a debug print. That's it.
Yeah, but info is good because you can turn it off really easily.
Yeah, no. This is actually something I would leave for if somebody else ever needs to, or when I load something, I want to know that it loaded actually a file, because this is actually really good to know that the file didn't even get loaded. And then you can turn it off, and then you can make you can turn off your custom scope as well.
Sorta, but the scope is only like, what you really should do is like have a scope in, let's say, the Vulkan namespace, you know, and they can do like vk.scope.info, whatever. Because like scope is just a comp time type, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that just like makes the functions info error, you know, whatever. You can look into it if you want.
Yeah, no, I'm not
Yeah,
that
but
keen
it's also
on.
pretty good, nice. Yeah.
I'm not. That's not my biggest concern right
yeah.
now. The debugging of stuff, or like information. It's not debugging. Well, I guess it's debugging to some extent.
Sure.
But yeah, my biggest
but like the
concern
good thing also is because
others.
you can turn off. You can
Yeah.
You can like turn off other logs also. So yeah.
Damn.
If you have like a renderer log and like a game log, you know, you can just turn off the renderer log.
Oh my god, that's actually pretty damn good. Because then you could make it modular.
Yeah,
you know, like if you use this thing, then you could just with the modular you can have it like turned off or on. Now that's crazy.
Yep.
Oh, now I see why they did them separate, because apparently they need to be separate. This is gonna be funny. Well, we'll see. Dot mag. My LSP is fucked again. I don't know why it's expecting a semicolon here. Ah, now I see why. Like so. And then we can just say extract. It doesn't find. Oh, this should be okay. Wait, something else is. I'm just gonna take. I'm gonna put it. Oh no. I'm gonna put it there instead for the time being, and I'm gonna remove that. No, what? We're not gonna remove that. Okay, good to know. Shit. What? Ah, now I see. No? No? What? Ah. Wait, that can't be. Wait. Where is this? Ah, no. This one is wrong. Like so, and then I would like to have that one like that. Okay, then we can continue. Extract, filter. Let's see, what do we have? Data, mag. We don't have that. Do we have file, sam. No, wait, I'm stupid. I'm supposed to go through the sampler, right? That's why I did the whole loop. Mag field. No, wait. Wait. Ah, shit. That's just a. I don't know if that's a. Shit pants. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Okay, that's why the AI told me that I should have not done that. That I should have done this. That's okay. Okay. So there's a separate for min and separate for max. Okay. Well, we'll do it then. I thought I could get away with it, but I couldn't. Okay. But this one I still... No, wait. Which one is it that is... There's the mag, min, max, and then... Mipmat mode, GLTF min. Okay, I hope I don't have to do double for both of them. Extract filter... I'm already in GLTF, kind of. Okay, this is starting to get really confusing now, because now the naming is not starting to make sense. Extract filter... I'm gonna prefix this with... Well, it's already loaded GLTF. So it's this thing should just... Oh, bro, we need to move everything out from here. It's such a bad, but we're gonna keep it to the filter... Mag. Wait, why do they sort of have filter mag? But it's the mag that I want to have is min. Filter from GLTF min, filter from mag filter, min filter. Okay, now. Okay, let's see. Because now I'm wondering which one corresponds to the max and which one corresponds to the min. Oh wait, this is mag and okay, there's no... Bro, what am I saying? Okay, maybe it's... I'm kind of sick, okay? I'm just retarded. Oh my god. Why did I not see?
You're retired?
Yes. I'm crazy. I was crazy once. Ah, bro, why? Why? Is there a key binding for jumping to the beginning or end of the line? Because I use always the end or home key. In Neovim, that is. Nobody answers straight. Okay, so then I will call this one actually, I will rename this with mag filter because... Well, it's already function file, so I can call it filter, we need to do that. If the filter is equal to 0, then we'll just return vk c vk filter general. Is the comment just default for mag? Yeah, I will take that comment because otherwise the if condition is a bit weird. And then it will just do that, and let's see, mag filter nearest. God damn it. Linear, okay. And then this one is normal. And mipmap mode. Okay, well, we'll see. Did it even did this thing? Oh, it redid all of that. That's crazy. Oh, wow, look at that. Ternary. Okay. Now we can just do the same. If return if filter equals CGLTF nearest. We return VK CVK nearest, else it will be linear. VKC VK like that. Oh, for fuck's sake. There, boom. And then this thing can go like that. That anymore. Yes. So now they changed it. Great. Ah, shit. Bam. Bam. All right. And then this thing in the min. Yeah, the min field like that, and then if filter is 0, return linear. VKC linear. Bam. And then we do this thing. This is the same. Let's see, nearest, mid, nearest linear. Return nearest, also return that. Okay, so they just omitted this. Sure, we can also do that then. I trust this thing. I trust this machine. Alright. And then I don't think anything else has to happen here. We might do this. I will only do it if it seems to make sense, but that made sense at least, so I'm gonna keep that. And then we will not have this anymore. Instead, we can just go extract. And now we're talking about the mag, and then we'll just pass in sampler dot mag filter, and then we have don't have that. We have this, bro. Min filter extract filter min. I will say almost extract min filter. Well, whatever. Sampler dot min filter there. I think I'm gonna rename this to, I even misspelled it, mag filter, extract mag filter. I think that makes sense. Why did it not rename? That's strange, it should. What's the point of this if it can't even rename? Filter. Language servers not provided rename. So what the? Yeah. Reload LSP and rename. Okay, I can't rename. What's the point of this? We can't rename. Oh, we can do this also. Or we can't, apparently. What the fuck? Why? Okay, that works. But I should also be able to just do that. No. It's actually broken. What? No, it doesn't find any. Oh, it's a typo in the whole thing. Okay. And it doesn't tell me shit. Great. Okay, now rename. Okay, not then. Again, why does it do this? I'm so confused. Okay, now it's just stuck there. Great. Mag filter. Okay, now it worked. I think. Yeah. And then rename this thing. Extract min none. Filter, like so. Perfect. And I hate that this thing stays there, but now it's I guess it's stuck there now. It's just stuck there. What? Oh my god, that's crazy. Okay, it's stuck there. Whatever. Actually, I'm fine with wait, restart it. Yeah. Okay. And what's the next thing? sample. No. I forgot. I'm already writing it here. Sample mipmap mode. Is it just? Oh fuck me. Mipmap mode, like so. Extract mipmap mode. And then we're gonna pass in sampler mip map mode. Okay, what do we have? Extensions count extra wrap. What are they passing in? Min field. Oh wait, they're passing in the same thing. What the? Okay. What is this one telling me that I should be doing? Okay, there's a bit extra there going on, but that's okay. What? For each count, then they have GLTF sampler S. Okay. Min filter, VK map from min. I think they just renamed it then, I assume. Okay, so that's my equivalent, and I just pass this into there, and then this thing is supposed to extract it from there. Okay, so just pass min filter. And then nearest mip nearest, and then linear nearest. Yes, that makes sense. Return that, and then we have some extra. I'm not gonna do the other thing yet until it's probably gonna make sense later on, but that's okay. Sampler, decrate info, and then it decrates the actual sampler, and then file pushback samplers, and that's this thing over here right now. STD array, okay. All right, then we will need it. But thank God we have an allocator passed in. Woo! This could actually be an init, not a load. I'm gonna rename it to an init. It's gonna be so confusing now, but yeah. So then we can actually start here at the top. Should I start at Harold? What is the convention if you have a lot of arrays in SIG in a structure? Do you initialize them all at the top with the allocator, or do you, as you go, initialize them and before you return the structure with its arrays?
Well, you just allocate the like constants inside, and then at the end you return the pointers of the arrays, kinda.
So I just in the this is where actually we start to propagate samplers this thing before I return it. So then I also so this section should contain anything that has to do with the samplers then, and also including the allocation or creating of the array list for it.
Yeah, like above the for loop, I would make the array list, you know.
Yeah.
And then you can fill it, and then you can return the array list.
All right.
Or you can do like array list to own slice, and then it will not return the array list, but like just the array of itself, which will be allocated on the heap, and so it's gonna live on.
Yeah, no, that's oh, we'll see. But
it depends what you want to do with it later.
Yeah, I have no idea.
So you're gonna add more things to it. So.
This is my first time using the GLTF, so
should be a var also.
But I just wanna. Oh, so wait, I cannot modify the content.
It mutates.
Yeah, but isn't just the thing inside
array
of
list
it?
Yeah, but the fields match the parent, which is like the fields have. Yeah, the fields match the like mutation of the parent or whatever. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's just how it works in SIG. You can't have like a structure with like 4 constant fields and 1 mutable.
What? Ah.
Yeah.
Ah. Okay, I see. Yeah, that makes sense. But what if I make it into pointers? And some of them I don't make it. Isn't that... Then in that case I could. Or could
What?
I?
Hmm?
If I had
Pointers.
if I had a pointer to a structure with mutable fields, but the structure that owns that structure just has a pointer to that thing, but that thing is the structure is okay. This is not starting to make sense.
I don't get the explanation, but I think what you mean is like you can just do like star const and then the thing, you know.
Yeah.
Like Sig's type system handles this. Like you can't. It's very hard to mutate something that is constant unless you use const cast.
Mm. Wait, you how did this? Oh, you just tell it to be empty. You were not you did did. Is it so that the array list no longer stores the allocator? You always have to provide it.
Yeah, you always have to provide it.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Right, the thing inside here is called sampler. The fuck am I supposed to call it? Array? Is that stupid? Could I just call it sampler array?
No, you call it samplers.
Samplers. Wow, we are thinking now. Next level IQ over here.
Yeah.
At least 12.
At least 12 and a half.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, I have been trying to sneeze 3 times already and it's not working.
Damn, bro. Just give up.
Yeah, just give up. Well, thank you, bro.
Yeah.
That's called,
No problem.
That's called
I got your back.
recovering.
Yeah, I hope you get better soon, Lucas.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. It's like that Minecraft convention. Oh wait, no, where is that from? Where some kid says he has autism and the guy says like that he should feel better.
That's a Minecraft
Yeah, I don't
meme?
No, I don't think it's Minecraft related actually. Nah. Where is that from?
I think I
I
have
don't know.
heard it somewhere, but damn, that's funny.
Yeah, the guy says like get well or something. Based.
Get well. I mean, he meant.
Yeah, like the
he,
kid says he has autism. Yeah.
he meant well. It came from the heart, you know. That's what's
Yeah.
matter.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
I think it was an allocator next here. I'm not sure. Seems like it was. Usually they have that. Or
You're
they-
an allocator.
Yes, we are all alligators. Oh yeah, and then
Mhm.
actually,
Alligators.
yes.
What the hell are you doing? Oh, I see. Okay.
Is this cursed to do it like this? Should I do it outside? Oh, wait.
Nah, it's right.
Actually,
I'm not used to having the.
No, I'm actually retarded. You're right.
Yeah, it's also a bit hard to read, but like, also there's like you see the types are like specified there, like cint, like on the min filters, for example. Like I have that shit turned off. I only have it on with like a hotkey,
Ah.
so I can actually see the code. Yeah.
Okay, I'm end up for now. I'm bashing my head against something and I can't think.
Just go to sleep.
Yeah, I should also.
No, that's a
should
bad
also.
idea. It's only like 9.
Bro, I'm so tired right now. It's unbelievable.
Yeah. Good
Because-
luck in Vulcaning. Hopefully you manage to make a Vulcan.
Thank you.
Yeah. Lucas will thank you later.
Yes, thank you. Bye bye. Are
Yeah.
you going?
Good luck.
Thank you. You
See ya.
too. Bye.
Lucas, you know what? I'm actually doing Vulkan.
You are?
Right
oh my
now.
God. How is it? You fun?
Yeah. So I'm just doing Vulkan by like adding it to my windowing manager
Ah.
client. Yeah, I'm not doing Vulkan yet. Because I'm gonna have to do Vulkan for the like stupid example. of my windowing client. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do Vulkan.
Tell me if you
So-
need any help. I
Yeah.
I know a few things actually, surprisingly.
I don't think so. I think I'll go to like ChatGPT first, and then after that I'll probably go to like Gemini, and after that I'll go to Bing AI, and then after that I'll go to T-Chef, and then after that I'll go to Damon, and then
T-shirt.
after that I go to myself.
And where am
Yep.
I in this loop?
Oh right, yeah, no, you're not in there.
But T-ships ask me for help with Vulkan stuff, and I'm able to help him. What is you don't trust me? How dare you?
No, so like the thing is, I can ask him, and then he will test it, and if it doesn't work, he will figure it out, and then give me the answer. And if you and like if he goes to you and gets the answer, he's like a fact, he's like a shaker, you know. Yeah.
All right, I see
Yeah, I
how it
use him
is.
like as a buffer between us.
I see.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
see how it is. Well, if that's how it is, you know, fair enough.
Yep.
Very sad moment. I'm gonna go cry now.
Yeah, that's good.
That sounds good. Sounds good. Now I can put these ones back here because I don't want them to be at the top. I just needed them for the LSP. Wow, we're like halfway. That's crazy. It's actually already my bedtime, and I'm still like, I don't know. It's weird. Like I feel like I'm not sick, but at the same time, like my nose just keep on running, and then if I stand up from my chair, like I'm fucked. I'm fucked immediately. It's crazy. Yeah. We'll continue from here tomorrow. Slow progress, but
Bro, that sounds sick.
thanks, bro. We'll continue from here. I think it's starting to make a little bit of sense. A little bit unsure still. Why is this not clicking for me right now? It's like I need to check it out. Anyways, I think we'll still end it here so I can go sleep. I didn't practice music today. I'm kind of maybe I can do it still before I hit the bed quickly, just so I can say that I did it, you know. And I didn't go out for a walk. I should have gone out for a walk too. Well, I was also kind of I didn't want to get even more sick than I already am. So yeah.
Yeah, you also Null joined back. Hello, Null.
Oh what? You're done
The
already?
pointer. Yeah, that's right.
Oh wait, null the pointers.
There's many nulls.
Yeah, we have many nulls in here.
Yeah, there's many pointers.
All
There's
right.
many pointers, and there's many nulls, you know.
Yeah. All right, but I think I will call
Yeah.
it. Continue tomorrow. Good night, everybody. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.